Good day to you all. I am Scarlett Zain L. Abuhon, a grade 10 student from section Hertz. In this lesson, we will define a permutation. Second, we will find out the number of ways in which a given number of objects can be arranged. And lastly, we will state that permutation is an arrangement and write the meaning of NPR. And welcome to our lesson, Permutation. What is a permutation? A permutation is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a set when the order of the arrangement matters. So here's my problem. In how many ways can you place 8 different books on a shelf if there is space enough for the only 5 books? Permutation of n objects taken R at a time can be denoted by these symbols. It can be denoted in different ways. Permutation of n objects taken R at a time is equal to n factorial over quantity n minus R factorial, where n is the total number of objects and the R is the number of objects taken at a time. We can use this formula in evaluating permutation of n objects taken R at a time. Using the formula, n will be the number of 8 different books and R represent the space enough, and that is 5. Permutation of 8 objects taken 5 at a time is equal to 8 factorial over quantity 8 minus 5 factorial. In simplifying this, we just have to copy the 8 factorial, then 8 minus 5 factorial, that is 3 factorial. And then 8 factorial is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. We will stop at 3 factorial since we also have 3 factorial in the denominator. If we cancel out 3 factorial, we are left with 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 is equal to 6,720. Therefore, there are 6,720 possible ways can you place 8 different books on a shelf if there is space enough for only 5 books.